Good morning, everyone. Oh man, my hair. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today, guess what I'm gonna do? It's been a while since I've been to the beach. And yeah, let's figure out what we wanna dress like today. Obviously, got my makeup done. Also have some nice thick layers of sunscreen just in case. And yeah, let's see what swimsuits I have, because I haven't put on a swimsuit in forever either. So, but before we get to that, don't forget to give me a subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you know when I have new content coming out. Let's go. So you guys have seen my dresser area, and I believe it's third row down. Yeah, this is where all of my cute swimwear are. And to be honest with you guys, I haven't even worn half of these. Like, I've never worn this, I've never worn this, never worn this. I've worn this like twice, not even, oh, 3 times. Once to Cabo, and I'm kind of feeling the fringes, so let's see what we have here. So these are the bottoms. They have a really cute ruching on the back and a matching ombre tassels, and this halter top with fringe that hangs from there. So I'm gonna change into it and then start packing for the beach. Oh my gosh, these fringes are super cute. I forgot how fun they were, and they have matching ones on the side. Awesome. And last but not least, we're gonna pick out a couple of things to obviously wear over my outfit, aka bikini. We're just gonna do a nice vacation white to keep it easy, and so that if my ombre peeps through it, it will just be cute, a splash of color underneath. Actually, might have to reconsider because the slit is a little too high and the ombre stuff peep from underneath. We're gonna change to short shorts. Alright, so I do have a clothing rack over here, and right up front I already have a to-go bag for the beach. This is waterproof. It's got my towel in it and some flip-flops and sunblock and some blankets to lay on. So I literally just have it packed and ready to go. Probably should bring some sort of cover-up too, the thing that I was wearing earlier. Very nice. And all the way in the corner, I have my hats. I can take a very cute sun hat, which says Sun-Kissed on it in gold. So that's coming with me too. By some flowers, and we have to have our masks on again, so yay. Our mask have butterflies too. Got some fried seafood and a lovely view of the ocean. Fried oysters are delicious. Fried fish. And of course we have to get some of the clam chowder umbrella is up. So warm. We'll see. From beach to market. I'm so thirsty, it's so hot. Let's see what we have. Lots of unicorn type of stuff here. Super cute graphic stuff. Yo. Check out this tree. Very Alice in Wonderlandy. Merchants. Ooh. Silver candles. Ooh. That planter's cool too. Got a Mary Poppins statue. Is that Mary Poppins? Hello Kitty. Oh my god, animal pillows. But they look like they're in cages. So cute. Outfit, matching in the earrings and everything, and mask. First stop is the Takiyori Yado skewered chicken with mochi. Got the original 2 skewers. This place looks good. Also, thank God for this, or thank the universe, planet Earth for this huge cloud, because I'm starting to get burnt. Wagyu 03 Beth. Shrimp and pork. We got some halo halo, and it is National Ice Cream Day, so very appropriate. Why are they clubbing? The Ferris wheel, it's super crowded now. We're about to leave. Bye-bye, Santa Anita Park. Thanks so much for having us. I'm so full. We ate such a big brunch. No, I didn't mean to. You know, it's all good. Back home.